Hi! Now I'm going to do a video on cat litter. A lot of clients have cats and dogs, and occasionally you'll have to clean the cat litter. Something to think about when you have a cat is in the winter time, it's not as hot, so boxes can go a little bit longer without getting stinky. And in the summer, I suggest we put less litter and change it more often. I think depending on how many cats you have, I have 2 cats and I change the litter once a week in the summer, and I can go probably 2 weeks in the winter and put more litter actually in the winter time. In the summertime, it's good you put less litter because it starts to smell quicker. So this is the suggested amount. It's not very deep. Now, of course, here's your scooper. And try to change the poop daily. And if there's signs of the box starting to smell before your week is up, just scoop that the pee part out and throw it away and tie up the bag. Alrighty. Subscribe, hit the bell. Okay, see you next time.